Introducing the luxurious 2024 Polestar 2, Srsm 31HP 69KWH in sleek grey exterior colour. With a host of comfort, safety and convenience features, this Saloon is a game changer. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone to ambient lighting, this vehicle has it all. Safety is never compromised with ABS, lane departure, warning, collision alert and more. Enjoy the peace of mind knowing that this vehicle undergoes a full health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today for more information. Drive in style and luxury with the 2024 Polestar 2.